This is Suriya. This is Kanguva. And let's just get it started. Enough. This is it. This is the Sizzle teaser. So here we go. Oh, that looks awesome. Suriya. Oh, whoa. Dude, this looks amazing, dude. What are we doing here? Oh.
Dude, check out Suriya.
Dude, he looked sick right there. Dude, look at the CGI and these ships and everything. That's awesome. Okay, we're watching it again. Look at this. Look at this CGI. Okay, stop that right there. Look at this. What is going on? Is this Pirates of the Caribbean or what, dude? This is like huge. This is amazing, guys. Look at this. That shot right there. I love that. Dude, like seriously, the ship scenes look incredible. Dude, get it, dude. Who's doing the music on this too, dude? Look right here. Suriya, the boost. Kanguva. Oh, that tiger roar at the end. Woo! Okay, let's go, Suriya. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, come on, guys. Who's into it? Who's into it? I am. Just, dude. First off, Suriya. I've said this before. I have said this before. He is one of the most underrated actors, not only in Tamil films, but I think in all of India. Like, he's just so underrated. I don't know why. Everybody, I mean, don't get me wrong. Like, I love a lot of, Thalapathy, Rajini, Thala. Like, these are like, especially in the Tamil film industry, SRK, like all these big names, right? Suriya, why does he get left out sometimes? I don't get it. I really don't get it. He is so stinking good as an actor. He's amazing. He's incredible. He's so good. Okay, this looks amazing. The CGI looks like killer. The music. Oh yeah, who's doing the music? I totally forgot. Who's doing the music, guys? Kanguva, Sizzle. Let's see who's doing the music. We've got we're there, we're gonna get it. Devi, Shri, Prasad. Awesome. Directed by Siva. Starring Suriya, of course, Disha Patani and Bobby Deol and others. But there you go. That's your music. Devi Shri Prasad. That makes sense. He's awesome. So let's go, dude. I don't even know what else to say. Put it down in the comments. What do you got? What do you got for me, guys? Put it down in the comments now. I want to see what you got for me. All right. I don't know what else to say. I really don't. So then we're going to wrap it up. Go watch this video right here. And we'll see you guys next time. Nan ungalai nese kaden. Love you, love you, love you. Bye.